if I wake up pumped, I'll
Pumped?
just pull my laptop. Pumped like this
You
energy.
wake
And,
up.
yeah.
Oh, this go, man.
Yeah.
I need to write
Pumped.
code. You are one of the most productive people I've ever met. What makes you so productive and what keeps you doing all of that?
Okay, so there can be many factors to this, and obviously there is. The quickest one I can say is the tool that I'm using. Yeah, that helps a lot.
Which tool?
There's kind of Flutter and Dart. Flutter is the framework or the UI toolkit, and Dart is the programming language. And then, nothing is more. And yeah, it develops for many platforms, so that helps a lot. Cuts like time, like half for half. And then my day, what does it look like? It depends.
When do you wake
on the
up?
day.
On a normal Monday.
It depends.
What?
My natural kind of clock is night owl, but I can change it willingly and it doesn't hurt. It's like very dynamic. So let's say I'm in night owl mode. Normally I wake up at 10 or 9 a.m. And let's say it's a weekend.
What about the Sigma protocol, man? Are you waking up at 6 or 7?
I mean, this is now. Sigma is now.
Okay,
The
we are talking
schedule is
about
dead.
now.
Yeah, now. Okay, now I wake up at around 6 to 7. And if I wake up pumped, I'll just pull my laptop. Pumped like this energy.
Wakes
and,
up.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, man.
Yeah.
I need to write
Pumped.
code.
Let's
Give
go.
me the keyboard.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh
So
my
if I wake up like that, I just grab my laptop and start doing something. And like, I think it takes me like 2 to 3 hours. I could be done with what I wanted to do, or at least get to a state where I'm like kind of a bit satisfied. And then from there, just keep improving on what exists. So I can basically develop, depending on how big the feature is, I can develop it in 3 hours or 2 hours in the morning, like really early. If it's past 9, that 9 to 11, that time frame is weird. If I wake up really early, I can either take a nap on that time frame or I'm not that productive. So in the morning really early, that's like my productive time, or at night like 11 until 3 a.m. Yeah, that's like.
So does it mean you're very productive during that time because you don't have meetings and all that stuff in that time frame?
That's part of it, but one part is let's say, because I don't have meetings, that's like 20 to 10% of it. The rest is just because it's the morning and I just woke up. Normally when I wake up, my mind is already like spinning with ideas or things.
Give me
solutions and
Flutter
stuff.
code. I want it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay. That's quite interesting because for me, my day looks like, okay, because of the Sigma protocol, like a movement from the SELFDEV server, I wake up at, I think 7 to 7:15. And the first thing I do is like I stretch. I just give my body some time to wake up and do some stretching, drink water and all this stuff, and then work out. So I don't even work actually. And then I start like at 8:30 or something. I start a little bit working, but then at 9 my first meetings happen. That's why I was very interested. But I think we can continue that in the next episode. So say your last famous words for everybody who has struggles waking up.
Get up early, be productive, and smash the walls. Don't stay behind.
And maybe use Flutter.